Krishna Kishore Garu, please come onto the stage. Next, C. Gopal Garu, please come onto the stage. CH Gopal Garu, please come onto the stage. And Sri Krishna Kishore Garu, President of One Champions. At the same time, CH Gopal Garu, Vice President of One Champions. And I request, in this tournament, total 18 teams participated, and all 18 teams captains, please come onto the stage. 18 teams captains, please come onto the stage. I request 18 teams, 18 captains, please come onto the stage. Yes, at the same time, Khaja brothers, come onto the stage. Khaja brothers varu, please come onto the stage.
We thank all the players, all the participants in this tournaments, in all matches that you are participated in supporting us. So I request every captain to have a few words and share your experience about this tournament. Starting with you.
Yeah, this is Anthony from Royal Manfly. Yeah, best tournament is honored by Mahendra Bhai. Thanks to him, to great tournament. I think this. Why? Because this is the one tournament is going for everybody. Because the leagues today one day and the leagues players are also going to play in this only tournament. So that's why I'm thanks to him. It's a great effort, and I'm thankful to him to bring everybody in this tournament. Thank you everybody. And also I want to thank to my team members, Raju, Shiva, Lachi, Raishanna, and everybody to giving me the best opportunity to playing in my team. I'm the grateful for this playing to this tournament. And thanks to everybody. Thank you.
First of all, thanks to Allah for giving us a chance to play in this One Champion tournament, and it's really grateful to play here. And I thank Mahendra Anna for giving us the opportunity to play over here. And it was quite well going tournament and well organized tournament by Mahendra Bhai. And I thank God for coming us into a final. It was a bad luck today for our batsmen, and I thank my team and thank my each and every player who played in my team, and especially Babar, Fayaz, and everyone who participated in my team and played and helped us to achieve in the final. And but it was a really bad luck today. Our batsmen didn't do well, so anyhow, it's a well played. Who plays well will win. That's the only thing. And thank you.
Hello, myself Mohammad Aslam. I'm the captain of Falak Cricket Club. About the organizer, especially thanks to Mahendra Anna, he is very well organized. I'm very satisfied for this tournament and upcoming tournaments also. My best wishes and all the best. Thank you.
Next captain, please.
Hi everyone, good evening. Myself Rayana from Team White Walkers. First of all, I want to congratulate and appreciate the hard work of Mahendra and his team, because to organize the tournament continuously for 7 editions is not easy with all the current situations. Last time he came with video coverage for matches. This time he improvised and given like live streaming. I hope he reaches more level and organizes more tournaments. And we want to play again in this tournament. Thank you.
Thank you for your feedback. I welcome the next captain to share your thoughts.
Hello everyone, my name is SS Barar from MLJS. It's a well-organized tournament in Twin Cities. Mahinder and team doing very well. One champion is the good quality cricket tournament is going here. And congratulations winner, White Walkers and runners, Platinum runners, other teams also. Yes.
Next captain.
Hi all, this is Ramesh. I'm the skipper of Etihad Cricket Club. It has been a very good tournament organized by It was nice experience playing in one champion, especially the organizer team of Mahinder Bhai and others. They have done a very good job in this. And personally, I would like to thank my team, each and every name, especially Kamal, Chan, other guys. And a special thanks to a few of my friends who have come us for a single match, especially Fahim, Iyazala and others. They have helped us to qualify into finals, and it was a great pleasure playing with them. Only the thing is, there will be glitches in the tournament, such a big tournament as this. I don't think
Thank you so much for your words. Anyone left out? Captain? All right. Thank you very much, all the captains, for your feedback. We will definitely work on in future. So now I request CH Gopal Garu, the Vice President, have a few words and give your message.
Hi everyone. First of all, thank you all for participating in season 6, and we are giving a best cricket in Twin Cities. So with the help of all of you, without your support, it is not successful. So thank you one and all for giving a good opportunity to conduct a great tournaments. We will continue like this. We need your support and blessings to come for a more tournaments. Thank you so much. Thank you one and all.
Thank you very much, Gopal Garu, for your words. And now I request Krishna Kishore sir, the President, to share few words.
Hi everyone. Thanks to every team which is participating here. Really wonderful support. We started with I think 12 teams or 8 teams, and today we are 24 teams tournament. And a lot of people are teams are actually waiting for they wanted to participate, but unfortunately we have certain restrictions. Wonderful support by everyone, and we wanted to encourage the young talent. This is what I told many a times. Mahinder, I think we need to really conduct one youngsters tournament that really helps them to get into the international cricket. Ultimately it's fun for people like me and many of us. But this tournament has to be for youngsters also. I want all the teams to come up with ideas. We wanted to conduct one youngsters tournament. Wonderful support, guys. We will continue to do very good. Any suggestions? The game is an uncertainty game. T20. Any suggestions are welcome. We wanted to improve this further. And when we started this, let me tell you this. and we thought we'll give world-class cricket. That's what we initially thought of. Hope everyone is enjoying this tournaments and kind of conducting what we are doing. We want this continued support. We'll do much more tournaments like this. Thank you so much, one and all. Thank you.
I request Invisible Captain Srikanth Garu, please come onto the stage. Srikanth Garu, please come onto the stage. At the same time, share your experience in this tournament.
I did not expect this, but yeah. Hi everyone. This tournament we could not participate because of the corona situation. Our team members were a little afraid to participate. But previously we have participated in many tournaments of One Champion, and we really like the way they organize and the quality of teams. Everything were really amazing, and hope we continue the association in future. And I wish all the winners, runners, and the most valuable player, best batsman, best bowler, fielder, everybody, all the very best and congratulations. Thank you.
I request Mr. Samrat Reddy, Flying Monkey, Drunken Monkey, owner of Samrat Reddy, please come onto the stage. There's one of our favorite captain, Samrat Reddy.
So, I know Mahender because when we wanted to start Flying Monkey as a foundation, we were looking out what are the best tournaments which are happening in Hyderabad. So, lot of people told us that one championship is one tournament where there is a lot of quality. Quality not just in terms of the ground and just the environment, but also in terms of the teams. Because see, at the end of the day, you don't want to go to a cricket match and hit 200 runs and get the other team all out for 50 runs. You want a good game. At the end of the day, when there is a close game is when you feel happy whether you win or lose. So I think One Championship has been setting the standards in terms of making sure that all quality players get together in one tournament and challenge themselves, and that is the beauty of sport. And I congratulate everyone who's involved, and the winning team and the losing team as well, on doing such a successful thing and showing people like us also how to do it. Thank you.
That was real good word, Samrat. Very good message. So now I would request Khaja brothers to come on to the dais and have 2 words. Khaja brothers, please come on to the dais.
Where is Khaja boy?
Please share your feedback.
Hi everyone, I congratulate every team who has participated in the One Champion tournament. It's one of the finest tournaments in Hyderabad. We are playing since season 1. So unfortunately we didn't play last season due to Corona. So we are going to participate in next season. So Mahender is doing such great efforts, putting great efforts for the tournament. So wish you all the best for them.
Now I would request someone who is a fan of everyone out here, Mr. Mahender Reddy Anna, so come onto the dais and have a few words on the tournament.
First of all, I take thanks from everyone for giving such an positivity for this tournament, even from our brother to the friend and to the family. Thank you everyone for giving such an thankful messages. And in front we are making some more development for the One Champion tournament. In next coming seasons we will, as President Sir and Vice President said, that we have to encourage the young talent also. We all the One Champion family will fight for that, to give the under 19 tournament for the academies in the weekdays. Soon we will release that poster. For that we are ready. And coming to the tournament of season 6,
I really thankful for each and every player who has participated in this tournament for the season 6, and I also thankful for the teams who have not participated in this tournament due to of Corona, like Invisibles and KCC and some more teams. I hope you will come back from the next season. And coming to the today's finals, I really congratulate the winners, and I also congratulate the runners. They should be winner for the next season. And for the next point, I am very happy for the lunch provided by our management and family members. And the sponsors for today's lunch is Ragul 11 team players and Hell Rockers team players who have who has given the sponsorship for the delicious lunch. I think everyone has taken that lunch, and I thankful for the Samrat bro, who is the one of the Flying Monkey management conducting present tournament in MPS ground and Vardhaman ground. I hope them also there will be some success and for the next seasons also. We are very thankful for you for attending the One Champion Season 6 presentation ceremony, and I also thankful for the officials who have taken the risk and hard work. They have taken all the officials, match officials. Thank you brothers, Deepak Bhai, Vara Bhai, Sinana and Tausif and Suresh and Dilip. And last but not least, and future also it will be continuing, I thankful for my brothers and family members, everyone who has given the support from the season 1 to till now, and in future also, each and everyone like Jaypal and Sudhakar, Satish, Sai, Mani and Anil and some brother and Ravi and Nitish Pandey, everyone. If I miss anyone, and sorry for that if I miss anyone. And I'll say one thing, that for regarding the Kaja, Shrikant and Hafiz, they are the one of the team players who is playing this present last tournament also. For every tournament they will be taking the risk for the lunch providing. They will be doing from the starting point. Once we have to clap them for the Kaja and Hafiz and Shrikant bro. And thank you for the commentators making this successful tournament. Thank you everyone.
Thank you Mahendrana, that is really a very good words sharing with us. And now I request all the officials, all the captain to have a cake cutting on the stage, whoever present on the stage, and have a cake cutting ceremony. Please come closer, everyone. Satish, Khaja Bhai, let's have a cake cutting. Let's have the happy moment sharing with everyone. Captains and management and everyone, just to have recognize the hard work, recognize the effort that everybody is putting in. So this is the hard work everyone in the management, everyone in the One Champion family have been putting in. So this is the something for the success, something which they deserve.
Clap. Riaz.
Thank you. I request all the captains to leave the dais now for some time. Only captains. Request managers, the management to stay for a few minutes. So now time for felicitation for our President Krishna Kishore Garu. So I request to do the felicitation. I request first is for Samrat. A felicitation for this young man, Samrat, getting the felicitation from felicitation along with the memento. So
bye.
Please clap everybody.
Down.
Felicitation from the management. It is a peak which can stay forever. I will request a felicitation to Gopal Garu, the Vice President. Gopal Garu, the Vice President, receiving the felicitation. Thank you, Gopal Garu, for supporting us, for being with us. All your help, all your support, we thank you. We looking forward to it in future as well. Now the President Krishna Kishore Garu. So I request, Mahendaran Reddy doing the felicitation to President Krishna Kishore, getting the felicitation from Mahendra Reddy. Now one more felicitation in the line. I request Khaja brothers and have a small appreciation in the form of felicitation. Khaja brothers, with the effort, with the hard work that they have been doing, so they deserve the felicitation. Now the one felicitation for Mahendra Reddy. Felicitation to Mahendra Reddy, Samra, from the family members. One champion family members felicitating Mahendra Reddy. He is someone that everybody loves. Everybody wants him to be in the team. Everybody wants to work with him. He is such a good personality. And this also comes with the group photo with all the One Champion family. One Champion family group in this can be the album at your house, at your home. You can stick it anywhere. One Champion family. This is the family and this is the team behind the success of this tournament. So claps to everyone. Claps to each one of personality on the dais. Everyone have put in a lot of hard work. They spent their time. Hard times of COVID-19. Everybody is working as a team. Thank you, everyone. I request guests to be on stage for some time. Now I request match officials to come forward, and we'll call up match officials. Match officials, we'll start with Varaprasad Garu. Varaprasad and Deepak. Varaprasad Garu and Deepak. Srinivas, request Srinivas, the match official. And Suresh, also one of the match official umpires. Suresh.
Hello. Management
Dilip, more official Tausif. Officials of the one champion cricket. Official umpires spending full day in the hot sun, standing between the wickets, standing on the field, and making sure the game is going with everything goes smooth on the field. These are the people who are reason for that. So we can thank him for the effort. All the match officials. Suresh, the match official, getting the memento.
Now next official commentator in this tournament, Mr. Riaz, please. Mr. Riaz, go on stage. Official commentator Riaz.
Now the one more commentator, the official commentator Shoaib. So I request management to give him the memento.
Yes, now presentation ceremony start. Final match, man of the match, awardee. Final match, man of the match. Presentation. Platinum Cup final match, man of the match awardee. I request Siddharth Jaiswal, White Walkers, Siddharth Jaiswal, please. Congratulations, Siddharth Jaiswal. He has taken 2 wickets and 32 runs in just 23 deliveries. Now in this tournament, entire tournament, the best batsman award goes to Mr. Gopinath Reddy. 7 matches, 277 runs, average 55.40. I request Gopinath Reddy. The best batsman award goes to Mr. Gopinath Reddy. Total 7 matches, 277 runs, average 55.40. best balanced. And the best batsman award bat Mahendra Reddy से collect कर सकते हैं आप. Now next best fielder award Madan Kumar. 7 matches, 13 dismissals, 4 catches. Madan Kumar. Best fielder award goes to Madan Kumar. Now next best bowler award goes to SS Bharat. 6 matches, 20 wickets, average 5.05. Congratulations, SS Bharat. Congratulations. Now next, best bowler award goes to SS Bharat. 6 matches, 20 wickets, average 5.5. Best batsman Gopi, please collect your glasses. Sponsored by AG Sports, Meerut. Congratulations Gopi once again. Now next best bowler award goes to Mr. Bharat. Total 6 matches, 20 wickets, average 5.0. Congratulations Bharat. Glasses are sponsored by AG Sports, Meerut. Now next, most valuable player of this tournament, SS Bharat. Most valuable player of this tournament, 58.202. Wow. Congratulations, SS Bharat. And most emerging player in this tournament, Madan Kumar, White Walkers. Madan Kumar, please come onto the stage. Most emerging player of this tournament. For a century, most emerging player Madan Kumar from White Walkers. Plays the grand finale. Today's first match, a Silver Cup grand finale. I request a Silver Cup runners team.
और दौड़ा रहे बस 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 राइट साइड.
Now today is the first match, a Silver Cup. A man of the match award goes to Mr. Sadi. Please come onto the stage. 40 runs and he has taken 2 wickets. 40 runs, he has taken 2 wickets. Mr. Sadi, please come onto the stage. Collect your. Today is the man of the match. Now today is the second match for Gold Cup. In this match, man of the match awardee Mr. Gopinath Reddy. Gopinath Reddy. 64 runs and he has taken 2 wickets. Congratulations Gopinath Reddy from Yuvan Properties. Gopi, please come forward. Gopi. I request a Silver Cup runners team. Silver Cup first runners team. Royal 9 of 9 team players. Please come forward. Today is the grand finale Silver Cup. The runners team is the Royal 9 of 9. I request Royal 9 of 9 team players. Please come onto the stage. Anthony. Silver Cup runners. First medals, Anthony captain, Bandi Raju, Lakshmi Prasad, Rahul, Lav Kumar, Mukesh, Ranjit, Rahul, Rajesh, Shiva, Sohil. Silver runners, Royals 9 of 9. Runners, medals. One by one, please. Captain Anthony. This award is sponsored by One Champion family. Silver Cup runners, Royal 9 of 9. Runners team group photo. Now runners trophy. Runners trophy. Silver Cup runners trophy. Congratulations, Royal 9 of 9. Royal 9 of 9 team. Congratulations. Congratulations, Royal 9 of 9 team. Now next, Silver Cup winners, Etihad Cricket Club. Etihad Cricket Club team players, get ready. Ramesh, Chand, Jalil, Kamal Yadav, Mehdi, Rafisha, Ram Gopal, Sadiq, Sheikh Dastagir, Sheikh Noor, Siddiq, Ziaul Hassan. Now Silver Cup title winners, Etihad Cricket Club, ECC. Congratulations, Etihad Cricket Club. Please, one by one. Please collect your medals one by one. One champion of family. One champion silver title winner is Etihad Cricket Club. Now it's time for title winner, Silver Cup title winner, Etihad Cricket Club. Captain, please come onto the stage along with teammates. Congratulations, winning team for Silver Cup. Now next, Gold Cup runners is Falah Cricket Club. I request Khaja brothers, please come onto the stage for distributing medals. Falah Cricket Club. I request Falah Cricket Club team, please come forward. Gold Cup runners team is the Falah Cricket Club. One by one teammates. I request Khaja brothers. Mr. Falah playing last part. Muhammad Aslam, Amir Ali, Imroz, Muhammad Gisam, Abdul Khalil, Siddiq, Shair, Muhammad Amjad, Mukarram, Shoaib Ahmad, Sohail Ahmad, Sayyid Hasham. Now it's time for the Gold Cup Runners Trophy presentation. I request Runners team captain Falah.
winning team runners, Gold Cup runners team captain along with teammates. Congratulations, runners team. Now next, Gold Cup winners, U1 Properties. U1 Properties. Teammates, get ready. At the same time, I request Srikanth Garu, please come on to the stage. Srikanth Samudrala Garu for the distribution of our medals, winners team medals. Distribute చేయాల్సిందిగా శ్రీకాంత్ సముద్రాల గారిని వేదిక మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుచున్నాం. Now next, Gold Cup winners, U1 Properties. I request U1 Properties entire team, please come forward. Srikanth garu వేదిక మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుచున్నాం. And U1 Properties, the teammates Chandu, Dinesh Gaur, Gopi, Gopinath Reddy, Ismail, Krishna Chaitanya, Madhav, Raju, Samir, Shiva, Sudhir and Venkatesh. Winners of medals. Now it's time for the winners trophy. Congratulations, U1 Properties, the title winner for Gold Cup. Gold trophy title winner is U1 Properties. Congratulations, U1 Properties. Now next, last but not least, Platinum Cup runners. Platinum Cup runners, I request Hyderabad Strikers team, please come forward. I request Satish Sunakar Mahavir, please come onto the stage. Runners medals present చేయాల్సిందిగా కోరుచున్నాం. Satish Sunakar Mahavir and Hyderabad Strikers is the runners. Platinum Cup runners team: Omar 198, Afan, Fayaz, Rashid, Babar, Fahim, Javed, Omar, Samir Khan, Syed. Yes, Hyderabad Strikers. I request a winners trophy. Now it's time for a winners trophy presentation. Sorry, runners trophy presentation. Our runners is Hyderabad Strikers. ఈ ట్రోఫీని ప్రజెంట్ చేయవలసిందిగా కృష్ణ కిషోర్ గారిని, అదేవిధంగా గోపాల్ గారిని అండ్ సుధాకర్ గారిని, సతీష్ చంద్ర గారిని, వన్ ఛాంపియన్స్. At the same time, AG Sports sponsored personal bags. Platinum runners. Personal bags sponsored by AG Sports. Congratulations. Thanks to AG Sports Mirror. Now this is Platinum Cup runners team Hyderabad Strikers. Congratulations, runners team, and a special thanks to AG Sports. Congratulations, Hyderabad Strikers. In this bag sponsored by AG Sports Meerut. Congratulations and a special thanks to AG Sports. Now for one champions. Now next Fair Play Award goes to Blue Stars team. I request the Blue Star team captain please come forward for the behavior of fair play beyond the screen, on the screen, on field, beyond the field. Congratulations to Blue Star team. Happy congratulations to Blue Star team. Fair Play Award goes to Blue Stars. Thank you, congratulations. Now, so much cooperation with you guys, especially Blue Stars teams. Thank you once again, thank you very much. Now, it's time for Platinum team, Platinum Cup or winners team. White Walkers. All the players, please collect the medals. One by one. Names Rajendra, Ajay Yadav, Madan Kumar, Murali, Pratap, Rajashekar, Rajkumar, Ravi Kiran, Siddharth Jaiswal, Srujan, Yadgiri, Yasin Bhai. Congratulations, one champion. Platinum title winner is White Walkers. Congratulations. At the same time, personal bags also sponsored by AG Sports. Special thanks to AG Sports from Meerut. These beautiful bags. First medal collection, after that bags. Personal bags from AG Sports, Meerut. Congratulations, Abhi.
అక్కడ ఎక్కువైపోయారు సేఫ్ సేఫ్ నికరన్నా చలో సేఫ్
Yes, congratulations, White Walkers. At the same time, beautiful bags, personal bags sponsored by AG Sports Meerut. Now it's time for the Winners Trophy presentation. Platinum Winners Trophy. One champion season 6 title winner is White Walkers. Congratulations, White Walkers team. Congratulations once again, hearty congratulations. One champion, the season 6 title winner. And playing 11 beautiful bags sponsored by Now next, I request official umpires. In this match, official umpires, please come forward for collecting beautiful bags from AG Sports. 4 umpires. Deepak, Vora sir, Suresh Garu.
चलो 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 भाई टेबल यादव टेबल है
Congratulations, Platinum title winner, White Walkers. Once again, hearty congratulations. Now next, official umpires. Please collect your beautiful bags from AG Sports Meerut. Varaprasad Garu, please come onto the stage. Deepak Garu, Suresh Garu, Srinivas Nayak Garu. For collecting AG Sports. This beautiful bags sponsored by AG Sports Meerut. Special thanks to AG Sports. Varagaru. Srinivas Nayak Garu. Congratulations. Next to Suresh Garu was to entertain DJ Suresh. Congratulations, Mr. DJ Suresh. Congratulations.
Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you all the players. Thank you all the players. Thank you management. Thank you President and Vice President of One Champion. And we thank everyone, and we are closing this presentation ceremony. So we will see you again soon in the next tournament. Thank you each and everyone for participating and supporting us. Thank you once again. Thank you one and all.
Close.
And One Champions.